Hello, my name is Daniel, and today we will enjoy working on tutorial number 13. All the information needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video, so let's get started. We click File, New, we select Part, we put the name of the part, Tutorial 13, select OK, Insert, Body, right click, Properties, Feature Properties, rename the body, Tutorial 13, select OK, Insert, Body, hide the planes, select Sketch, and select the plane that we want to work on. Now we're going to construct the outside contour of the body by selecting our first circle. We're going to construct the design like this. The second circle that will be here, and the lines between the circles. Perfectly. Now we're gonna delete what we don't need, and our first design looks like this. Now we have to constrain it. So this circle will have a radius of 10. Perfectly. I'm gonna constrain the second one. This circle will have a radius of, actually a diameter of 34. Perfectly. We have to draw this like this. Actually did it bigger. Okay, nicely. Now we have to choose the distance between this axis system, the horizontal one, and the point of the circle. So this distance will be 72. Perfectly. Now, the idea is that these lines are not vertical, so we need to choose exactly the distance between them and this distance. So we're gonna do it like this. We're gonna choose constraint, we're gonna select the point, and we're gonna select the vertical axis. The same in the opposite side. We're gonna select this and this, and we're gonna choose the dimension. This dimension is 9 divided by 2, so it's 4.5. Here it's also 9 divided by 2, 4.5. Now we need to choose this distance. So we're gonna select the same point, but this time the horizontal line. Excuse me. Have to choose it like this. So this distance, it's 40. Not sure why it doesn't work, but we will see together why it doesn't really work. Probably because we don't do that right now. Put it like this. It was my mistake. Select the point on the opposite side. So this distance is 22. I'm gonna delete this one for the moment. Excuse me, not 22. It's 15. Okay, and now this one. It's 72. Perfect. Yeah, it's my first time that I do this design also, so I have to check exactly why some things don't work very well. Okay, like this. Like this. I'm gonna arrange it a little. So this is our first design of the outside contour. We're gonna exit the workbench. We're gonna insert another body. This one we can already make a 3D by define it. Click on pad, click on sketch number 1, put 10 millimeters for example. Now, as you can see, in these corners we have some radiuses. Today we're gonna learn how to use the function radius. So we are not putting the radius inside the sketcher, we are putting the radius outside on the 3D as an option. The option is this one, edge fillet. So firstly we're gonna define body number 3 where we are working, and now we're gonna put the edge fillet by selecting edge fillet, and on the lower side we're gonna select this edge, the black one on the lateral, and this one. And here you can put the measurements. So for this one's the measurement is 10 millimeters, and I select OK. So it looks something like this. We're gonna do the same on the opposite side. We're gonna select edge fillet, we're gonna select the black edges, and we're gonna put 7. So this is how it looks, the outside contour. Now, as you can see, inside body 3 we have all the functions for this body element. Now we're gonna go on body 4, we're gonna define, copy the sketcher, and paste it here. Enter, and as you can see, we have on the background the 3D. We're gonna choose this option to be sure that we are not clicking it. We're gonna select all the elements that we constructed because we just want them as guidance, and we're gonna click this option. Now we are constructing the holes inside our 3D. So firstly we're gonna design the circles, the upper one and the lower one. We're gonna constrain them. This one has a radius of 7. Sorry. And this one has a diameter of 27. Perfect. And now we have to construct the interior hole that is positioned exactly here. How are we gonna do that? So first we're gonna choose the lines that we want them to be placed. Actually today we're gonna do a different option. We're gonna choose on this menu where we have the mirror, we're gonna choose offset, and we're gonna do it like this. Select the line that you want to offset, put it like here, doesn't really matter, and as you can see we generated a line that is an offset from this line, so they are also parallel and the measurement was already done. We're gonna do the same on the opposite side, or if you want you can delete this one and choose mirror and select this line and select like this. It's the same, doesn't really matter. The only point is if you do it like this, when you change the measurement here, it will change on this side also, so you don't have to make 2 measurements. So for example, let's put 2 millimeters here. So this is our design. We can choose an isometric view, maybe a nicer one, something like this. You can choose color, arrange a little, and this is our design for today. Thank you very much guys for the patience of watching my video. I hope you understood. If you didn't understood, please leave a comment in the comment section. If you liked it, like, subscribe, and we'll see each other next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon. Goodbye.